Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today is my day off, so now it's 8 o'clock morning. I didn't eat breakfast, so try to make my original Mapo Tofu. So using many different kind Sichuan spice. Doubanjiang, huajiao doubanjiang, and tenmenjiang, and gochujang, marajang, and oyster sauce. Just my original making mapo tofu. Try to make it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make it. Very important item: ginger and garlic. Chili, I like spicy flavor. Chili. This garlic. Ginger. Okay, that's enough. tenmenjiang. huajiao doubanjiang. This is marantang, shaoshanjiang. So it's garlic with chili oil. And gochujang. A little bit. Maranjang. This many different spice. Salad oil a little bit. High flame. Ground coffee. Boiled tofu and small fire is fine. Chicken soup powder. Shirodashi, white soy sauce, a little bit. special one. Homemade hot chili sauce. Secret seasoning. Oyster sauce. Little bit. Sesame oil. Try this a little bit. Good flavor. So today I'm gonna use half portion. And half portion, maybe some other day I'm gonna make marble nasu, marble eggplant, like this. I'm gonna keep it. Added sticky sauce. Mixture like this. And chili sauce. Just in this. Tofu. My original Mapo Tofu and kochihikari rice on it. Yes, that's what I want. See? いただきます。So good. So tasty. Mm. Yeah. The deep flavor from Sichuan pepper. Mm. Delicious. Mm. I like a little bit spicy taste. Yeah, this is a very popular Chinese menu in Japan. Mapo Tofu. Mm. It's good. Mm. So, show you. So, please try it. Your original Mapo Tofu. Thank you for watching my channel. See you again next time. Thank you. Have a good year. Mapo Tofu. Bye.